Hey, Dr. Charlie Rouse, and thank you for picking up the VZI weight loss sample. It's my pleasure to introduce you to the world's greatest weight loss formula. And guess what? As a doctor of natural medicine, I insisted that it be safe, and every ingredient in there is safe for you. So when you take just one pill a day, and when you take your one little pill, swallow it with a lot of water, because the more water, the easier it is to lose weight. You're going to love the weight loss formula from VZI because it helps reduce belly fat. And as it goes along working on the belly fat, you're going to find out that, wow, I feel great. Mental exhilaration, appetite control, and even mental clarity. It's called the VZI weight loss formula. And thank you for trying the sample. You're going to love it.